It's time for a documentary with the tornado warnings! What? It's a watch, never mind. And, yeah. Let's go see what he's doing. Facebook. Like my room! There's D.
Hiya.
You know this is going on YouTube, right? What's up, D?
Nothing.
Oh my god.
Get out of my face.
From what we hear, we're supposed to, like, when we hear a sound that sounds like a train that's about to come through our rooms, we bolt downstairs. And then we have no, then I guess our mother says that we have no time to pack our belongings.
Yes, we do. You're super, super amazing.
But I guess that when we hear the siren, Dee's gonna crap her pants.
Shut up.
We love you, world. Wave to the world, Dee. Say goodbye to the world.
I'm not leaving yet. You can't get rid of me.
Hello, nose.
Forgot my nose.
Let's hope we live to make more videos.